Hi there. On this video, I'm going to put together a Father's Day card. So let's get into it. I have my card base, which I like top fold. Going to use Barely Art glue, my favorite glue. And there are some adhesive foam dots in black, because since the background is black. Alright. All images are from Creative Fabric. I'll link to them in the description box below. Okay. So I'm layering black glitter cardstock on top of a dark purple cardstock. The black glitter cardstock is from Cricut's insert cards, so I just use it. And this is Cricut's brand new value cardstock. It was the darkest purple I could find in my stash, so it cut really well too. I mean, it's a rectangle, but you know, it just cut good. See? Alright. The glitter cardstock is going to go on top of the purple. I'll provide the card base or the card front template. It'll be 100% free to cut without a Cricut Access subscription, because it's just rectangles and circle. Trying to get it lined up. Okay, that's as good as I'm going to get it. I'm using my Cricut brayer to roll over it so the adhesive gets a good adhesion. Alright, so for Barely Art will glue stuff to glitter cardstock, but we'll see. It's not has to do with Barely Art, it has to do with me and not being able to squeeze out enough. So I usually use double-sided tape because it's easier, and I don't have to keep adding glue. Okay, turn it to its side. Now I got glue all over me. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. Going to use my brayer again to get a good adhesion. Okay, and then next is the astronaut. I already put my foam dots on the back so it wouldn't take forever in the video, and I figured out something new for them. If you like push your nail into it, it comes off easier. See how much easier? Any other time I'd be sitting here struggling So the adhesive foam dots is going to add a dimension. And I'm just going to guess about where to put this. Nope. Too far over. Come on. One thing about them, they are sticky. Alright, that's as good as I'm going to get it. And then we have the sentiment. It says, the most far out dad. That I'm going to glue onto the bottom. Oh, I forgot. This one is from this month's card of the month. I'm making a second card with it. So yeah, it'll be free. I'll link it. I'll link to our group, Facebook group that I help admin, and where I leave most, where I release all of my cards of the month. I'll just sit here and mess with it. Alright. So now put this onto the card base. Alright. The way I like to do it is like that. Alright, going to flip it over, make sure I get a good adhesion. I'm going to use my brayer. It's a little crooked, but it'll be okay. Oops. So I'm done. We're done with it. And I'll link to everything in the description box below, the papers I used, the image I used, and where to get the free design space file, which is 100% free to cut. Thank you for watching. Bye.